All Custodian users need to receive some notifications. These automated messages are just one feature that makes Custodian such a powerful communications tool. For instance, supervisors need to be notified when an issue is reported, and users need to be notified when work is assigned to them. But there are many other types of notifications. To configure notifications for a particular user, in the left menu panel, choose Admin. Then Manage Users. In the Users list, click the Edit button for a specific user. This will open that user's details page. The first step is to make sure that email notifications are enabled for that user. If they're not, click the Email checkbox. Now, you can configure which of the many different notifications they should receive. Click the Notifications tab. By default, no notifications are configured for a user. Some users, especially admins and supervisors, will want notifications for multiple locations. Most users, however, will only need notifications for one location. Click the Add Location button and select a location from the drop-down list in the Add Location modal. Then save. Because a user might not need notifications from every site in a location, you can select different notifications for each individual site. Click the Edit button. Then select which notifications the user should receive. When you've selected all the desired notifications, click Save, and repeat this process to configure notifications for sites in other locations.